Welcome to Vis's Corner, where I will take you on a picturesque tour of my island Jamaica, the land of my birth. I do hope you enjoyed it. Comment, subscribe, and give me a like. Thank you for watching. Dunn's River Falls is one of the main tourist attractions in Jamaica, located in the parish of St. Anne's in a town called Ocho Rios. Ocho Rios meaning 8 rivers. This town has a Spanish name because Jamaica was settled by the Spanish from 1509 to 1655. Captured here is a beautiful sunset in Negril. And look at this beautiful sunrise in Runaway Bay. Did you know that Montego Bay or Mobay is our second city? A bar in a pool, isn't this lovely? Treasure Beach is a treasure indeed. Lucea Hanover, what a beauty! The Grand Pallidium is absolutely majestic. A lovely beachside getaway. Beautiful sand too. Beautiful water just outside of Rick's Cafe. Did you ever ask yourself why we have rainbows? While on the beach, you may just come across a waterside vendor. A typical countryside road in Jamaica. Beautiful. Now brace yourselves. This Black River Safari tour is a tour for the brave of heart. And this is why we have crocodiles. Yes, I think we only have crocodiles in Jamaica and not alligators. Distant relatives of the poetess Elizabeth Barrett Browning owned this estate up to 1878. And also the musician Johnny Cash owned the house for about 30 years in our era. This is the factory where our white rum is made. A typical roadside in the rural parts of Jamaica. And this is an aerial view of Kingston, Jamaica. And while in the city, you may just come across a JUTC bus that is our main source of transportation. And I believe this to be Devon House, where you can buy the tastiest ice cream, the Devon Stout. And who has not heard about our jerk chicken? A tasty, tasty jerk chicken. Man, I love me some jerk chicken. And to top it all off, you can treat yourself to a delicious dessert like this. God's creation is something to behold. Thank you for watching.